Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video going to show you here about to switch to dark mode on Figma. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about start to follow this video. So about what we're gonna start to see over the place or the progress. So what we're gonna about to do is about to start to go to the swipe, which is already everything needed to be done on that is still to be depending on the way that we need. And what we're gonna do is about start to go for the thing that we started to have in the part or the way that we actually wanted to going on with that. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about start to click here. Now start to search for dark mode, but actually you can see it on this progress. So I will recommend you to go to the action dark mode. Use dark mode here, and this is gonna be about to give you here the dark mode that you want, and that's all about to help you